April 27th, 2022, 3:44 p.m. Okay, there's beehives right here. Should have been taken away over 2 weeks ago. You already got cherries turning red. They were there to pollinate. Well, this is what happens. Let me see if I can get it. This is what happens right there in the center. Right there above my finger. Let me get it focused. That is a rogue beehive. There is a cluster of bees right there. And I was just walking by and they were like everywhere. They were just like all up in here. But yeah, those things are crazy. It's about as close as I want to get because I can already hear them. But that is a rogue beehive. Obviously, there must be an overabundance of them, and they must have flushed out a queen. I've looked this up and read about it. But yeah, that's what happens when your neighbors are lazy and they don't want to come get their stuff. I mean, not to talk crap about the neighbors, but these are my almond trees, and I got a grandson that walks out here. So now he's not allowed to come over on this side of the property because of the bees. There's some hives right there. And down there, there's some more hives right down there. Center of the screen towards the ground. Those are on their side. Come back over here, and you can see it. All right. All right. There's your hive. I believe. Wait. Oh, I'm looking too low. It's up a little bit higher. My bad. Get back out. It's a little bit higher. There it is. There's your hive. Try to get this still for a second. Just for a second. That way. It's a lot of bees.